Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my Kikuyu channel. Thanks for joining me from wherever you're watching. I am here right in Kenya. I am shooting this video. I'm feeling really excited. Currently the weather is not good. It is raining and raining and raining, cats and dogs. But anyway, we are going to leave the way it is and we're going to just thank God for this rain. Maybe the sun is just coming along sometimes, I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead with this video. I was talking about emotions in Kikuyu. How do I describe emotions in Kikuyu? I talked about being happy, being sad, and even crying. Those three emotions. So we want to talk about being sad. How do I describe that? How do I describe being sad in Kikuyu? It is called Ihoru. Ihoru. Ihoru is sad. Being sad or sadness. Being sad, the act of being sad, Ihoru. Now, I can construct a sentence and say, I am sad. Dena Ihoru. Dena Ihoru. Dena Ihoru. Now, for example, someone will just be curious and ask me, why are you sad? Why are you sad? Or what made you sad? Neki wena ihoru. Why are you sad? Neki wena ihoru. I can answer and say, because I didn't get what I wanted. Todo dinona kiria gwedaga. Because I didn't get what I wanted. Todo dinona kiria gwedaga. Kiria gwedaga. That what I wanted, I didn't get. That's why I am sad. Dena ihoru todo dinona kiria gwedaga. Dena ihoru, I am sad. Todo, because dinona, I didn't get or I didn't see kiria gwedaga. That what I wanted. Yeah, that's simply how I describe or how I tell someone why I am sad, and also describe that act of being sad. Now, apart from being sad, being happy, crying, what else how else can I describe my emotions? Now, I can say I am very uh, okay, you can say someone is aggressive. Someone is really aggressive. Ena marakara. Ena marakara. Marakara are those acts of being aggressive. Being aggressive or being really unpolite, shouting, or how do I say that? I don't know exactly. I currently do not have the name of that word, but marakara is that aggression. Marakara, marakara, like being say, I that thing didn't make me happy. I am mad. Actually, the right word to use is being mad, marakara, or running crazy. Ena marakara. Now you can ask, why are you mad? Why are you so aggressive? Neki wena marakara. Neki wena marakara maigioguo. Why are you that aggressive? Neki wena marakara maigioguo. Or you can even ask, Neki marakara mau ne make. Marakara mau ne make. Why? Why being this aggressive? Someone might even answer and say, because um, because I don't have money. Niodo dire na besha. Di na marakara niodo dire na besha. Dina marakara niodo dirina besha. Because I don't have money. Diri, I don't have money besha. Dina marakara niodo dire na besha. Niodo is because. Answering because or why. Or you can say todo dire na besha. Todo dire na besha. Or someone can be besides that, one can even say I am mad because my wife did not cook well. I am mad because my wife did not cook well. Mutumia wakwa danaruga wega. Mutumia wakwa danaruga wega. My wife did not cook well. That's why I'm mad. That's why I am mad, aggressive, or whatever you call that. Marakara. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to end this video right here with the hopes that you are able to follow up with me. As I promised before, I'll be uploading a little bit. I'll try to upload more videos while I'm here, and it's my hope I will be soon, maybe tomorrow or soon. I'll come back soon with a new video or a new topic. Just be kind and let me know what you would like me to post in this video. Sometimes it's really difficult to create or even to construct some content for my viewers, but I hope we are still together, and maybe you can just help me, assist me in dropping what you would like me to post in the videos, what you would like me to help you learn, or whatever you want me to bring outside there. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Kenya. If you're around, we can catch up. If you're not, we can always say hello in this channel, and maybe till next time. Thank you so much. God bless you. Good